So hello Raftar, hi Akasa, welcome to Bollywood Live for the very first time.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर.
How you guys are doing? First of all, आपका नया गाना release हुआ है, it's already hit 2.7 million. It's close to 3 million now in one day. That's a great response. So आप बताइए कि आप कितने खुश हो इस response को लेकर फिलहाल. Let's start with that.
I think Raftar is just gonna be like, yeah, that's my life every day. नहीं ऐसा आपको फील होता है अभी कि अभी भी व्यूज से आपको फर्क पड़ता है?
मैं टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरे लिए कभी व्यूज मैटर नहीं करे शुरू से,
नहीं.
क्योंकि मैंने जब म्यूजिक बनाना स्टार्ट किया था ना, उस टाइम पे व्यूज इतने मैटर करते ही नहीं थे. तब मैं आम तौर पे मजाक में बोलता रहता हूँ लोगों को कि तब लाख व्यूज में भी लोग पार्टियां कर लेते थे कि लाख हो गए यार, 5 लाख हो गए यार. तो देखो आफ्टर 5 years आई थिंक even 100 million 200 million will be like ये क्या होता है यार.
Okay. Right, right, not a problem. But हम response इसी तरह जान पाते हैं, right? कि response अच्छा receive हो रहा है, लोग देख रहे हैं, song को appreciate कर रहे हैं.
Response is the comments and the like to dislike ratio, because that is where people take time to go and invest their real expression or emotion. Yeah. And with that I feel like people are having a lot of fun, man. मुझे वो वीडियो बना के मेरा दोस्त भेज रहा है कि यार मेरे सामने आइसक्रीम पड़ी है और मेरे मन से यही आवाज निकल रही है. I tweet video of this young kid who did an entire performance like Akasa's and uploaded the video. I had sent it on the group. You haven't seen it?
Wow. Even I haven't seen it.
That's so cute.
Hey, let me show this to you.
Oh, wow.
Because this is insane. This happened yesterday itself, and
oh, so cute.
Crown.
Oh. Oh shit, that's so sweet. That's so cute.
that's what I mean, Akasa. So, there's a walk. There's a walk right at the end. Boss walk.
Oh, sad. I love how she's wearing like a pink long dress like there was in the video.
Akasa से मुझे बताइए, how does it make you feel as an artist? जब आप देखते हो ऐसा appreciation आता है जहाँ पे छोटे-छोटे बच्चे आपको copy करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, and they're making a beautiful video out of it. How does that make you feel? Do you
Makes
feel
me forget about the numbers, my brother.
That's actually true.
Because see, we started making music like human beings as we are. We started making music and art to be happy and to take our mind away from everything else that is happening in the world, right?
Right.
For me, it still serves the same purpose. And if this is happening,
You know, even before you said this, I've never said it. I don't talk about it because I'm just like, I don't need to make all these deep statements right now. But it is so true. Even when my first song came out, okay, honestly, because I've been around for a long time. It's just that I was doing other behind the people work sort of. So for me right now, even the tiniest things, like people are like, "Arey 100 million hai." For me, even if like 10 million is like, I'm just like, but bro, 10 million people have watched it. It's pretty cool. I don't want to say it. I play it cool, but it's actually true because even in the first video, there were a lot of interviewers who were like, ये आपके इसके views इतने नहीं आए, आपको कैसा लगा? In my head, I was like, I had a dance cover sent to me every second day on that, and that meant so much. Imagine you making a song, like for me it's still एक नई feeling है अभी तक, and I hope it stays still another 10 songs. But I'm just like, oh my god, they made a video on my, like, I just have to pretend to be so cool because on the inside I'm like, they are making a video on my song. That's how I still feel, and this was adorable. I'm just trying not to like.
Wow. Okay, so talking about the song Raftar and Kasa, this is a heartbreak song and it's a fun song. Okay, how do you mix that up? How do you mix that up?
It's that temporary pain. वो जो बीच में, see, sometimes the best part about being in a relationship is those little nakhras, bro, because it is fun. जो नाराज हो जाती है उसको मनाना होता है, यार सुनना अच्छा, ठीक है, अच्छा. That's the part of that, being lovey-dovey and everything. So I think this is that phase where हाँ ठीक है, चल मना लेते हैं, थोड़ा नखरा भी हो रहा है. So yeah, it is not always like mera dil toot gaya, I think my life is meaningless now, it's going to end. That's exactly what we're showing in the video. That is what you feel at that moment.
Yes.
But as time passes, you are like, यार मैं कैसा सा था ना, जैसे कि हम अपने 2010 के जाके पोस्ट देखते हैं फेसबुक पे, yeah, I just came out of the gym and it feels great, I think I'm gonna shine this year, and you're like,
That's actually true. And it's
मैं
not
हाथ लगाता और बोलता, अरे
वो जो हार्डवेयर दिखाया भी है वो लड़की के दिमाग में है basically, because if you like it also, it's such a dramatic girl in the video. It's like my alter ego, because usually I'm very, you know,
it's what
everyone
she is not in real life. She is not at all that person.
alter ego क्या have that, वो बहुत कम कम निकलता है, जब
Probably not
निकलता
with
है
us.
उसका reaction
Probably not with us. Probably not with us.
yeah, with you. So if you hang out with me when I'm really tired, I have this one thing, अरे चलो ना, the moment I say that, I've seen people be like, what happened
Like
to you?
cringe.
Oh, okay, relax. Yeah, this whole girly. So there is this alter ego that I, you know, one person who was with me at some point of time has seen the video and be like, this is so you. And I'm just like, just shut up. Just let me maintain my image of being a cool girl. So it's not even heartbreak. She's so over dramatic that अगर boyfriend ने बोल दिया कि babe, I'll talk to you later, she's like, you don't love me anymore. Wow, my life has ended. You never care about me. So it's 100 drama. That's why drama queen. तो दिल टूटा है, but it's like a 5-second thing. वो लड़का आ गया and then she's like, in the end she's like, yeah, happy. बाल भी कटा के आ गई वो.
That's
So
love
it's
आजकल actually, you know, that is love आजकल. That's what happens nowadays, you know. आजकल का love ऐसी ही है. Okay, so you guys are collaborating for the first time, right? This is the first time if I'm correct. So मुझे बताइए ऐसी एक चीज जो आपको एक दूसरे के बारे में काफी impress कर गई as an artist, taking as an artist, you know, or as a human being as well.
for me it was like Raftar. That is like very impressive. I don't think people know the 360 of Raftar the artist yet. Like they know the rapper, they know the choreographer, they know he's funny, they know that he's like he dances really well or whatever, raps really well. People don't know that there is a lot inside. Like I'm sure this has been said because he's such a huge artist, but I'm not saying it as someone, like as him being a huge artist. Even as a human being, he's like one of those sorted cool dudes who comes across as he's such a cool funny guy, but he's so wise inside, and there's so much going on. Like there's like this creative person, there's like screenplay, funny joke, but then at the same time a lesson, and it's all in like, that's probably why his name is Raftar, because it's like, and it's hard to keep up with it. But I think that is like true Raftar, or like Mr. Nair, as people, they don't know it yet, but I'm guessing they will.
Raftar, can you top that? Can you top what she said?
I was just speaking the truth. Abhi गाना खत्म हो गया. I don't need to.
I'll tell you what it is. When I met Akasa, although Akasa has been in the industry for a long time, yes, she has been working at the back end, and you know, one of the few women riders we have in the country. So she's also like a talent, a powerhouse of talent. But what I really loved working with her was like she treated the song like it's the first time ever she's dropping a song. You know, for with time, making music also becomes like a part of your daily work because this gets our bread. So we also start treating it like a job. इतना गाना हमें देना ही पड़ेगा, ये deliveries करनी ही पड़ेंगी, तो फिर आगे shows होंगे, लोग खुश होंगे. But with Akasa, after the previous song she has done, her Nagin song did big, right? Thug Raja was so good, man. With all that happening and all that has already happened, she went into the studio, and the amount of questions she asked me and the small details she accesses when she makes music is because she's still so, you know, wild up about her song. It's passion. Ki mera to pehla gana hai waisa. So that gave me the sense again, ki yaar, this is what I felt when I used to drop music. And, you know, it brings me back to that. So yep, is that mindset of constantly resetting and going back to treating her song as if like it's the first song.
That's true. So talking about, you know, musicians are also people who inspire others, right? People inspire around them. People look up to you, Raftar. I know a lot of people, and that's one of me as well. I've been following your journey since you started, all right? मैंने काफी टाइम से आपको notice किया, so मैं आपकी journey के बारे में थोड़े बहुत question जानना चाहूँगा. You made it into the industry without being there's a godfather, no godfather, right? There was no one to push you ahead. So मुझे बताइए ये जर्नी कैसी होती है एक आर्टिस्ट की जो आउटसाइडर है, जो अंदर आके अपना नाम बनाता है, एंड यू नो how often do you face failure or you know क्या कह सकते हैं उसको bullying जैसे बॉलीवुड में चालू है nowadays, have you ever faced that? और कैसे आपने cope up किया? I'm sure that a lot of people want to know about your journey and how did you cope up with that in current situation?
Then with me, one thing I simply understood was that I am entering into an industry. Okay, it's for example, if Reliance, if Ambani sir has to give his company, he'll definitely give it to his son, right?
Correct.
Because it's his business, his everything he created, and we buy products from that company, like Reliance, for example. So Bollywood, a lot of people have invested their family money and created like a company for themselves where they only put out their kids and put it to people. Now it's the people's job. It's not the industry job. It's people's job. If you don't like the way that is working, don't go to those movies. Go to the movies of these kids who are new.
Correct.
Houseful those movies, make them 100 crore, 200 crore clubs. If you're already going, you're going to an established company like a departmental store to buy a product. That is exactly what is happening. So, बाप अपने बेटे को नौकरी दे रहा है. ये माइंड मुझे पता था कि this is an industry. This is what happens. So whatever I have to do it in a way that it has a separate market.
Right.
इसीलिए I never faced it as much as the actors do. I kind of understand where you're coming from. Actors face it in a very different way. With music, it's still free, man. Music initially was just done by a good singer singing, but actors miming to it, right? Actors started miming to music done by others, and it became big and everything happened. Now musicians have started getting their individual identity. अच्छा, पहले होता था कि the best of Shahrukh Khan, the hits of Salman Khan, और उस कैसेट में गाने होते थे.
Correct.
And as a kid, I used to wonder if they are singing their songs. When I grew up, I knew कि उनके नाम से ये collections आती है, पर उसके अंदर गाने किसी और के हैं. So मतलब that is what has been going on. And that is what kids are doing on TikTok also. That's why I don't feel bad about TikTok, because जो चीज हम बड़े पर्दे पे बड़े एक्टरों को करते देखते आए हैं, वो ये बच्चे छोटे से कैमरे की स्क्रीन पे कर रहे हैं, किसी और की आवाज पे मुंह हिला रहे हैं, तो बुरा क्यों है, गुस्सा क्यों होते हैं? There's a lot of ways you look at it, man. There's a lot of ways. Abhi, right now, what I feel bad is that guys, I wish the best for him, his afterlife, man. May his soul rest in peace. But people are riding a bandwagon. People who never cared to go to his movies and watch it are suddenly going out and saying stuff like, I saw Sony posted today morning that they're going to release his next movie, and it became like such a big thing. Why don't you release it in a theater? It's Corona. Do you think it's wise to get everybody into the same theater and cram them up so that they affect each other? Do you think so? No. And right now is the best time for them to release the movie so that whatever he has created, his last piece of his soul, man, his art, is visible to everybody. It's subscribers and non-subscribers. You don't need to pay to watch that movie. They are doing what they can. And after that, you go, no, release in a theater. It should be big. Okay, it goes to a theater, makes money. But where does the money go to?
Exactly.
It's not going to Shishant, right? Shishant only wants everybody to be able to watch his movie. That definitely will be his wish, man. That's what he texted people on Instagram, right? Please watch my movies because I don't have anybody. He just wants everybody to watch the movie. Free में आ रही है, 26 को ही आ रही है अभी जब सब बात कर रहे हैं. तो उस दिन make it Sushant Day, man. Everybody watch that movie. What is this whole fight about नहीं theater पे नहीं जाएंगे, Bollywood sucks, this and that? अरे, it's your choice. You never went before only. He had released movies earlier.
Perfect.
Don't suddenly have a change of soul, man. It's unfair to his Atma, man.
No,
People don't
so
get. I get riled about this because
so honest stuff. That's why
because
you're the right person who I could have asked this question to. I haven't been asking anyone this question because when I thought that you've been in the industry, you've seen what's happening around.
and I know what it is like. If I die, I'm putting it on the paper. If I die, I want people to listen to my music, not go to a movie that is made on my name.
Perfectly said. Kasi, you have anything to add to it?
I completely agree with everything that he said. I just saw that news as well. And I think it's so beautiful that you can sit at home and watch it. In fact, isn't that the better thing to do instead of
everybody? People who can afford it, man. Not everybody buys the 500 rupee tickets and additional popcorns and caramel. This shit. I want papa. I want momos. This doesn't happen in everybody's family.
And you know, the thing is, I know the girl, she's a friend of mine who's in the movie, and I know Mukesh sir really well. So I know that they would not let anything, it's Mukesh sir's movie, he would not let anything that he thought would be disagreed by, Sushant, may his soul rest in peace. I think whatever is happening is people who are making the decisions are making wise decisions. And and everything that he said, I completely agree with. I have dwelled on this and spoken
Stop
about
watching anybody's movies you don't like, anybody's movies you don't agree with. Stop watching them. That is how you go with it. Don't go to
Don't wait for people to go away before you support them. It's as simple as,
don't go to a company. Like I can't walk up into a store.
No, that's right.
Everybody is forgetting is that you abhi tak bhi, I think jo ek cheez that nobody learned, which is what I had spoken about also, is be kind. If that is what was lacking before, that is still what is lacking. You same people who are asking on comments of someone speaking about something else, why not talking about this, why talk about this, talk about this person, talk about this person, this happened to him. And then on right below that, they're like, you beep beep, whatever you beep. I'm like, you're doing the same freaking thing. You're affecting another person's mental health. So it's just I'm it's such a vicious circle. And I think right now the only topic that needs to be spoken about is there needs to be more kindness and understanding in the world.
Because you guys, it's true, right? It's true. What's happening around us, Raftar, what's happening around us, it's a very, very uncertain time that we're living in right now. So people should learn to be more human right now. People should learn to be more kind to each other, towards the nature. We have to accept what's happening around and love each other for that. That can be done. I'm sure about that. Okay, it's a very long debate, but I also want to talk some fun things about you. Serious. Okay, let me lighten the mood for you guys a bit. Okay, so I have some social media questions for you guys. Let me just take a notch down for you guys. Okay, this is some lockdown questions on internet people have been asking. So I just yesterday on my social media I posted I'll be talking to you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. All right, so these are some lockdown related questions. So tell me, the first question that I usually get is like, if you had a chance to choose a lockdown partner, okay, and it has to be a celeb, who would you choose as your lockdown partner and why?
I feel like, Raftar, you answer first. I think you will know my question, but recently I have come to know something about that person. So I'm going to think about my answer, but you can answer right now.
Recently, like last interview, you mean?
I just came.
Okay, for me, man, I would love to be captured in the studio with. In the studio, see, naturally, दिमाग में वो lockdown में studio निकल के आया.
Oh, it's so weird.
I was like in the lockdown in the studio with. So yeah, man, like I have a lot of idols, man. Like Lupe Fiasco, I love his writing. Nas, I love his writing. I love the way Eminem writes and produces his stuff. J. Cole produces his stuff. So I would like to go and be with somebody who's like an all-rounder. Like somebody who is able to manage everything on his own. That is my go-to. हो गया यार, देखो मस्तीखोरी की उम्र चली गई, अब सीखने की है. It's reverse order.
Perfect. Perfectly said. How about you, Akasa?
I'm still upset. Okay, maybe before I knew what I came to know, okay, in my head also the studio came, but I would like to be with this person who I can make music with. Then he'll cook food for me because I recently came to know he cooks really well. Then he'll make me laugh as well, and then I'll just look at him because he's really cute. मेरी मस्तीखोरी की उम्र है अभी तक, but since I recently came to know something, as of an hour back, it would be Diljit Dosanjh. New answer, I'll think about it. Oh, probably Billie Eilish. Oh my God. Yeah, we probably have 5 songs in like one day.
Good choice. Yeah. Good choice. All right, not a problem. Okay, so the other question is like, since we all are locked in at home, okay, this is a general question. तो आपको घर पे सबसे ज्यादा चीज करने में क्या पसंद है, क्या ना पसंद है? झाड़ू, पोछा, बर्तन इंक्लूडेड. क्योंकि हम नहीं कर रहे वो सब. So what is the least favorite activity?
नहीं हो, एक काम नहीं होने नहीं हो.
I just shot a video with my mom where like one of those memes. I told mummy ki this happens every day. Basically, my department, we all have departments. My mom, dad, brother तो मतलब studio बना के बैठा हुआ तो वही करता है, and my BG also. So everyone does their own thing. My thing is jhadu and pocha. So I literally just made the meme. You know what happens is झाड़ू तो हो जाता है, vacuum हो जाता है फटाफट. Then after that, when you have to again then do pocha, you get distracted by the phone. Okay, I'm sorry, but if I have an Instagram message, I will watch it. and then you get distracted, and then you fall into that web of Instagram. So I literally made mom shoot it that I'm sitting with the mop in my hand and I'm texting, and my mom comes and she's like, "Nayo," and she takes my phone. I think it's the act doing pocha after, because you've already done the whole house and now you're just mopping it, but you want to use your phone. It's mopping, pocha.
All right. Okay. How about you, Raftar?
हाँ,
I'm
same
sure ये
झाड़ू
question
man.
किसी ने नहीं पूछा रहेगा आपको, right?
मतलब झाड़ू झाड़ू या खाना वाना बनाना तो मेरे को भी बहुत अच्छे से आ गया, मैं बहुत मजा भी आता है, बहुत मजा
हाँ.
आता है. दिस झाड़ू थिंग, एक तो पता है क्या होता है यार, मैं करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, उसकी ना उसमें एक आर्ट है, उसको हल्का सा मारो, जो पीछे मुझे देखते हो थोड़ा रह जाता है, फिर उसको मारो, जितने में आप झाड़ू वहां से उठाते तो उससे सारा झड़ के फूल से गिर जाता है, उसके आगे के फूल सब गिर जाता है, फिर उसके बाद साइड पे करके दोबारा, एंड वो दैट कांट, लाइक आई डोंट नो हाउ, एंड मदर्स वॉक इन, दे प्लेस द झाड़ू एट वन कॉर्नर, ज़ूप, और सारा बीच में ऐसे इकट्ठा हो जाता है, लाइक एक छोटा सा माउंटेन ऑफ डस्ट, एंड द रूम शाइनिंग. हाउ?
मेरे घर पे तो बाल ही बाल हैं यार, सारे सरदार हैं, सबके इतने सारे. अभी झाड़ू मारती हूँ, and then I come back and mom is like, तूने यहाँ पे झाड़ू नहीं मारा. I'm like, मारा किससे, फिर ये बात.
I guess
Anyway.
I'm really sorry to ask you this question, guys, but ये question social media पे पूछ रहे हैं लोग, actors लोग से पूछने के लिए. So I'm glad you
भाई
answered इतनी
बड़ी
honestly.
दिक्कत है, बड़ी दिक्कत है, और एक तो काम ऐसा है कि मैं किसी और को बोल नहीं सकता है झाड़ू मार दे.
Right.
किसको बुला के बोलूं, भाई जरा आइयो, मेरे दोस्त झाड़ू मार के चला जाइए.
But that's amazing, yeah. Thank you so much. This was a very fun chat, Raftar. As I promised you, it's gonna be a very fun chat for you, you know. So thank you so much for chatting with me, and best of luck for the song. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that and the great response that it's receiving right now.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
having fun, and thank you. It's before going again, I want to tell people, man, we moved on to fun. A song is out, we are having fun, but please let his soul rest in peace. Don't turn it into a media circus or a circus. He definitely didn't want that. If something is happening, if there is an inquiry, let it happen. If there is his movies coming out, please support it and watch them. Watch his movies, because we never watched it before. We never went to his movies. I've done a song with him way back in one of his movies, right? And I knew what the response of that movie was, and how he must be feeling. So, when वही है ना, बंदे के जाने के बाद उसकी अहमियत उसको मत दिखाओ, बिकॉज वो नहीं है आप जानने के लिए कि आप क्या जानते हो. जब उसको जरूरत थी तब दिखाओ. Right now, think about all the other artists and support them.
Correct.
Even they are musicians, and even if they are actors or anything. And secondly, stop going and hitting after an industry, something you are the ones who made it big. Because जैसे musicians के लिए stage होता है, दो चीजें होती हैं. A musician can either be an artist or can be somebody who does business, right? या आप म्यूजिक अपना बेचते हो किसी लेबल को या किसी भी कहीं पे भी, चाहे आप इंडिपेंडेंटली रिलीज करो, चाहे आप किसी लेबल पे करो, यू आर डूइंग इट टू मेक मनी. दैट इज द रूट ऑफ इट. ठीक है, आपको पैसा मिलेगा, आप स्ट्रीमिंग करो चाहे नहीं करो. अगर आप पैशन से कर रहे हो, तो मैं सबको, आप अपनी जितने भी लेबल्स हैं, अगर पैशन, कोई भी बोलता है कि मैं सिर्फ पैशन के लिए म्यूजिक करता हूँ, तो उसको 1 रुपए भी नहीं कमाना चाहिए. उसको सारे पैसे चैरिटी कर देनी चाहिए, या अपने उस पर मोनेटाइजेशन बंद कर देना चाहिए यूट्यूब पे. अगर कोई भी बंदा ये क्लेम करता है कि मैं सिर्फ पैशन के लिए करता हूँ, और ये कहानी सुना के लोगों का मन भड़काता है ना कि मैं तो पैशन के लिए करता हूँ, या सेम एक्टर्स के लिए. अगर आपको बॉलीवुड में जाना है, तो वो बॉलीवुड एक इंडस्ट्री है जो किसी लोगों ने अपनी कंपनीज खड़ी करी है. आपने थिएटर खाली छोड़े हुए हैं, जिन थिएटर की टिकटें नहीं बिकती है, और जहां सारे असली एक्टर्स जाके एक्ट करते हैं. वो जितने भी एम्फी थिएटर्स होते हैं ना, वो खाली होते हैं. हम हफ्ते के उनके 3 शो होते हैं, उनमें से उनको कभी कभी 2 बंद करने पड़ते हैं और एक ही चल रहा होता है. तो जहां पे आर्ट है, आप उसको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे, तो एक इंडस्ट्री जिससे आप प्रोडक्ट खरीद रहे हो, उसको ब्लेम मत करो. You guys yourself have never supported art to its core. You have not gone to musician shows who are real cultural musicians, or you are not going to theaters to see a play happening. No, you went to a big screen where somebody's investing crores. He's obviously going to invest in somebody he trusts.
Or you're watching you are earning off the YouTube views, whether they are on a label or not, or whatever. Everyone's.
हाँ, अगर आप सिर्फ यही बोलते कि मैं ये अपने पैशन के लिए करता हूँ, म्यूजिक इज माय पैशन, आई डोंट डू इट फॉर मनी, और एक्टिंग इज माय पैशन, आई डोंट डू इट फॉर मनी, देन प्लीज क्विट विद दिस हिपोक्रेसी. Stop monetizing or give out entire money to charity.
Correct.
Now, right now, everybody is like, मैं इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ, मैं एक स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर हूँ और मुझे मौका नहीं मिलता. अरे आप मौका भी तो किसी की कंपनी में नौकरी मांगने जा रहे हो एक तरीके से.
Right.
खुद शॉर्ट
आप करो ना, आप प्लेस करो ना, आप बड़े बड़े प्लेस बनाओ ना, और ये जो जनता आज अचानक से मैसेज कमेंट करने लगी, आई प्रॉब्ली थिंक आई माइट गेट सम हिट कमेंट्स आफ्टर दिस, बट आई डोंट केयर बिकॉज़ इट्स द रियलिटी। ये जो कमेंट करने लग गए, ये क्यों नहीं जाते प्लेस देख? गो ना, गो सपोर्ट रियल आर्ट, रियली गुड आर्टिस्ट। क्यों? क्योंकि बॉलीवुड को लगा शायद इनकी शक्ल ठीक नहीं है, उनको पिक्चर में नहीं डाला। बहुतों के साथ ऐसे होता है, वो एक्टर वहां चले गए।
Right.
भाई
Right.
हिपोक्रेसी छोड़
That's
दो, ऑनेस्ट रहो।
no, no. Let's end on that good
Let's
note.
not-
Very well said,
Really-
Raftar. You've given something for people to think. Thank you so much for that. I'm sure people will be inspired and as usual from you.
Please put a smile on your face and sing Nayo for us.
Yes. So let's thank you so much, guys. It's fun.
Go
Thank
sing.
you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys very soon in person, and we'll do this again. All right. Thank you so much for
I
chatting.
did like she went a little.
Everything is lagging. That's what I was about to sing, but I was like enjoying your beatbox. Thank you so much, Imran.
Thanks, Raftar. Bye bye. Thanks, Akasa. Bye bye.